I am the Professor. Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
Because it's freezing up there and it's damp.
I've told you before, it is not damp.
I've got rising damp. My furniture's falling to pieces.
Now then, who says I don't know how to spend and splash out at Christmas? What I bought, I'm going to enjoy myself with this. A corned beef hash, 20 pence. A pork pie, 20 pence. A vanilla slice, 20 pence. And a Manchester tart, 20 pence. All that for less than £1. I know how to live life to the full. Which is the best? The Samsung S20 or the Pro Hero7 Black? Right, I'm just going to continue to put the vents inside of my garage. Look at that. So I'm going to put a third one in. They look a bit rough, I know, but when I've rendered round them and painted them, you won't be able to tell. I'm going to put one down here. I've ordered some plastic ones off Amazon, but they haven't come yet, but I might as well make the haul ready. I don't know how them guys got on that did that Brinksmart robbery. You'll have had a better setup than this. Right, I'm currently working in my bathroom. Just put a new shower head in. A little gadget there to keep all my smellies in. Regrouting the tiles. So I've also ordered a new window, which should be in towards the end of January. So the place is a bit of a mess at the moment, but hopefully get it finished in the next few days. When my daughter's moved out, I'll be able to fill this bath with loads of bubbles and invite old Mrs. Erminchinsky from down the road. See if she wants to come and play with me ducks. At the moment, I give up. I can't be bothered with it. I would say over the next couple of weeks into December, some big decisions will be made about travel worldwide to Asia. I can see countries closing and going back down into lockdown. You mark my words. It's the 30th of December and I have got to make a decision whether to book my trip to Thailand for the end of January, early February. I've got about a 6-week window when I can go, but I've still got to wait for what they say in Thailand. They're making an announcement apparently on the 4th of January. Also, there could be an announcement from the English government after New Year. So in the next week, I'm going to make a decision that if I do go to Thailand, I won't be going through Phuket. Phuket is not for me. Phuket to me is like Las Vegas and Blackpool. Too glitzy, too glamorised, too westernised. It's not Thailand for me. So I could possibly say I won't be going if I got to go through Phuket. Let's wait and see what decisions our leaders make. This used to be a famous old pub in Lancaster. It was empty for years and years. I don't know what they're going to do with it now. I wonder what Queen Victoria makes of it all. Look at this on here. It's a funny old world we're living in, isn't it? I wonder what the story is there. 2 people took a bite out of it and left it. Have they had a row? What is going on? Why would anybody leave 2 apples on that bridge?
Would this be a bad time to tell you I need a wee?
You can walk right off. What do you think of this then? I'm not saying it's tight, it's scuffed messy, but it's coming out of my house using my electric, my computer, and all my paper. I've had to buy a new packet of paper to print all these documents out. You can... Messy, are you going to say anything to that?
So I'm just busy booking my important documentation.
He's going to Phuket. When are you going?
I'm going in 5 weeks.
5 weeks time. Am I going? Am I going?
No, you're too tight. Tell me when you're ready.
Right, right.
Oh, I'm starting to laugh. Let me get my mask off. Fucking hell.
Go on.
I can't. Wait there.
You can.
Right.
Just...
Oh, I bet we were drinking me. Right. Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
I'm going to include a few clips of footage filmed by my friend Owen, who lives in Thailand. She's quite keen to make a few little videos of daily life in Thailand. So here are a few clips that she's filmed for me. The only thing I've got to try and get her to do is to turn the mobile phone into the letterbox mode so it captures the footage in the wide format, but she'll get there in the end. I only told her 4 times. Anyway, enough of that waffling, over and out.
มึงเห็นไหมเรารู้สึกไม่งั้นเขาก็ขายอ้อยในหลวงเดียวกันก็จริงคำพูดเป็นคำพูด
เอาบางคนเขาก็ไม่มีนิสัยแบบนี้แล้วนะยาย
กูไปซื้อขนมซื้อโดนยาแล้วปากมันลอกเด็กที่ในคณะไม่ให้มันก็ติดมันก็ไปเล่นเนาะ
เด็กกับมันดูไม่รู้หรอกอย่างลูกเราขนาดมันอยู่กับเรา
ให้เนาะหนูก็หวังดีแบ่ง
หนูยังหันหลังให้แกเลย หนูกลัวแกอยากก็หนู
ช่วงพักฟื้นจากโควิดกินเนี่ยขนมไข่ขนมอะไรวะขนมที่เป็นเค้กเหมือนไข่นะให้เขาไปชิ้นนึงแบ่งให้กินพอกินไปหมอมาตรวจในวันนั้นเชื้อผายน้ำตาลขึ้นโดน2 ห้องถึง 2 คนนะห้องถึง 2 คนเอาซะ
อีกแบบไปอยู่กับเพื่อนก็อีกแบบ
พ่อแม่เขาก็ดีขอเป็นเพื่อนยังไปได้รู้ด้วยทำไม่นั่นใจนี่ใจนั่นเป็นเพื่อนก็เราได้เขาด้วยก็นั่นมานี่ก็นั่นมาเรื่อยเลยไม่ตอบไม่อะไรไม่คาน
อาจจะเหงา
เริ่มต้นแล้วก็เอางานดีบ้านเลี้ยงหลาน
เอาเป็นเบาหวานเลย
ไม่เรื่องทางที่มันไปหรือเปล่านะขนาดเมื่อก่อนหนูจริงๆเป็นคนไม่ชอบเที่ยวไม่เที่ยวนะแต่ว่าเพื่อนเราพาไปกูก็ไปกับเพื่อน
ไม่ชอบเลย
ก็ไม่ชอบนะ แต่ว่าเพื่อนไปอะนะบางทีถ้าเราไม่ไปเพื่อนมันก็จะแบบว่าเฮ้ยมึงไม่มากับกูอะ
ให้บนเมกรีวิวไงต้องเข้าใจว่า